Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see a motivational story about Dev Ramsey, change lives for a living. David Lawrence Ramsey III, who was born on 3rd September 1960, is an American radio personality who offers financial advice. Ramsey was born in Antioch, Tennessee, to real estate developers. He attended Antioch High School, where he played ice hockey. At age 18, Ramsey took the real estate exam and began selling property, working through college at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, where he earned a Bachelor of Science degree in finance and real estate. By 1986, Ramsey had amassed a portfolio worth over $4 million. However, when the Competitive Equality Banking Act of 1987 took effect, several banks changed ownership and recalled his $1.2 million in loans and lines of credit because he was overleveraged. Ramsey was unable to pay and filed for bankruptcy in 1988. Career of David Ramsey. Ramsey experienced several years of financial recovery and began offering financial advice to couples at his local church. In 1988, he founded the Lumpo Group, a financial counseling service, and in 1992 he wrote and self-published his first book, Financial Peace. Ramsey began as one of three alternating hosts of the Money Game on radio station WWTN at Nashville in 1992. The show eventually became The Dev Ramsey Show, Ramsey's daily 3-hour call-in financial advice talk show. Financial Peace University, Ramsey's 9-lesson, video-based personal finance course, debuted in 1994. The Gannett newspaper group ran his financial column, though dropped it when the newspaper realized that Ramsey had changed the names on the letters to which he was responding. He offered to pay them their money back. The Dev Ramsey Show aired on the Fox Business Network from 2007 to 2010. In 2014, the Lumpo Group Incorporated was rebranded as Ramsey Solutions. The company's headquarters are located in Franklin, Tennessee, and a new 47-acre campus opened there in 2019. Ramsey has written 5 books for adults, 3 of which were New York Times bestsellers, and 6 children's books. He was inducted into the National Radio Hall of Fame in 2015. Teachings. Ramsey advises listeners to reduce debt using the debt snowball method, where debtors pay off their lowest balances first. Ramsey opposes the use of credit cards. At live shows, he sometimes takes out his wallet to show audiences the only 4 pieces of plastic he carries: a business debit card, a personal debit card, a driver's license, and a concealed carry permit. Ramsey encourages the use of cash and advises families to utilize an envelope system, putting a cash allocation for each month's food, entertainment, etc., in separate envelopes and then spending only what is in the envelope. Ramsey encourages people not to take on student loan debt and calls the idea that student loans are required for college a myth. The Gospel According to Dev. By Susan Drury. Dev Ramsey's Get of Commandments of Financial Peace have made him a household name. Is he mellowing after 15 years in the pulpit? The 4,000 souls who have come out this Saturday have come for a certain type of quasi-religious experience. They are here to be a part of Dev Ramsey's Total Money Makeover event, to get a good 5-hour look at the man. They certainly didn't need to part with $29 each to hear what Ramsey has to say about personal finance. He has 15 hours every week on WWTN 99.7 to impart his ideas to thousands of Nashville listeners. They have come to see Dev Ramsey preach the gospel in person. Dev's story, how it started. I have an unusual way of looking at the world. My wife, Sharon, says I'm weird, and, truthfully, I am weird. But there's a reason. Starting from nothing, by the time I was 26 I had a net worth of a little over $1 million. I was making $250,000 a year. That's more than $20,000 a month net taxable income. I was really having fun. But 98% truth is a lie. That 2% can cause big problems, especially with $4 million in real estate. I had a lot of debt, a lot of short-term debt, and I'm the idiot who signed up for the trip. The short version of the story is that debt caused us, over the course of 2.5 years of fighting it, to lose everything. We didn't tell anyone what was going on, but if we had to do it again, we would learn from the wisdom of others who have been through it. We soon learned that we were not the only ones at the bottom. Barbie and Ken, the couple who appear to be perfect, perfect clothes, perfect car, perfect house, are broke, and I don't take financial advice from broke people anymore. The Financial Whisperer to Trump's America. By Tim Alberta, March to April 2018. Beloved for his down-home manner and direct, time-to-take-your-medicine approach, Ramsey is a pro bono financial advisor to millions of Americans who otherwise could never afford one. Privately owned and self-syndicated, the Dave Ramsey Show is carried by more than 600 stations and heard by more than 13 million listeners each week. Despite that scale, the relationships he forges with listeners can be intensely personal. People travel from every corner of the country, and occasionally from around the globe, to visit Ramsey in person and thank him for changing their lives. He makes himself readily accessible, hosting 3 hours of his eponymous call-in program every weekday from a glass-encased studio on the first floor of the Ramsey Solutions headquarters here in suburban Nashville. Today, Ramsey is the number 3 talk radio personality in America, behind only Rush Limbaugh and Sean Hannity. I now have to spend more time talking someone into believing they control their own destiny than I used to, Ramsey says. The regular guy can make it just fine if government will leave him alone and not take away his belief that it is up to him. It's a message that, after 25 years of dishing advice on the radio, spanning 9/11, the recession, Brexit, and to seismic presidential elections, has remained brutally consistent. If you're waiting on a president to fix your life, Ramsey said on the radio 1 week before Election Day 2016, your life is gonna always suck. Have you not figured that out yet? Digging Out of Debt, by Lorna Grisby. Ramsey himself has been a victim. 3 years after graduating from the University of Tennessee Knoxville with a degree in business administration in 1982, he had amassed $4 million in property holdings by renovating and reselling Nashville real estate, but his reliance on short-term bank loans left him financially overextended, and in 1988 he and his wife, Sharon, were forced into bankruptcy. In the years since, Ramsey has bounced back. Now 36 and one mortgage payment away from being debt-free, he says. He hosts a nationally syndicated radio show, The Money Game, has counseled nearly 3,000 financially strapped couples, and is the country's leading critic of credit. Recently he shared a few of his money management tips with People correspondent Lorna Grisby. Ramsey is one of America's best-known financial advice gurus, famous for his gospel of financial peace, biblically based, common sense wisdom on debt, investing, and retirement. Exploding out of the evangelical Christian world and onto the national stage, he has sold millions of books, hosted a popular radio show, and ran an organization that boasts more than 400 employees. 8 million people listen to the Dave Ramsey Show, 400 publications run his Dave Says column, and more than 2 million families have participated in Ramsey's Financial Peace University. According to Ramsey, his Lumpo Group sells hope, and that business has given him an estimated net worth of $55 million, The Daily Beast. Books by Dave Ramsey, The Total Money Makeover, A Proven Plan for Financial Fitness, Financial Peace Revisited, New Chapters on Marriage, Singles, Kids and Families, EntreLeadership, 20 years of practical business wisdom from the trenches. Dave Ramsey's complete guide to money, smart kids, raising the next generation to win with money. The Total Money Makeover Workbook, more than enough. The 10 keys to changing your financial destiny. Baby Steps Millionaires, How Ordinary People Build Extraordinary Wealth and How You Can Too. The Legacy Journey, a radical view of biblical wealth and generosity. Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University, The Money Answer Book, quick answers to your everyday financial questions. Dave Ramsey's starter set includes The Total Money Makeover Revised 3rd Edition, hardcover, The Total Money Makeover Workbook, Financial Peace Personal Planning DVD by Dave Ramsey, 2009, paperback, Dumping Debt, Cash Flow Planning, The Great Misunderstanding, Unleashing the Power of Generous Giving, Battle of the Chores, Junior Discovers Debt, Junior's Adventures, The Boxed Set, Dave Ramsey's High Performance Achievement, Accomplishing the Extraordinary. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon for notifications of further videos. Thank you.